everyone, this is Sasha. I'm here to introduce you a product called Silicone Body Scrubber. This body scrubber is used to exfoliate the skin. It's 27 inches in length. It's very stretchy, durable. As you can see here, one side has thick bristles while the other side has smaller bristles. Great for deep cleaning and exfoliating the skin. I use it on my back, neck, arms, legs, and hard to reach areas. Actually, I use it on my whole body and it's really good. Now I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to add some water to it and my favorite body wash. Okay, add water. Rub it a little bit. I'm going to put it on my arms like this. As you can see, there's some soap there and I'm scrubbing away. I could use it between my legs like this. And now with the silicone material, I could wash it off. I'll show you. It's easy to wash off. See, easy to clean. It gets in deep within your skin to make your skin soft and smooth. I highly recommend it to everyone. And thank you guys for watching.